In this video, let us solve this question. So we have t times t is equal to 27 over 8. And here, we have to solve for all the possible values of t. So t is the unknown what to solve for. Now to solve this, solution, the equation is t times t is equal to 27 over 8. Now the first thing is to multiply t times t, which equals t power of 3, which equals 27 over 8. At this junction, we can write 27. 27 is equal to 3 raised to power 3, and also 8 is also equal to 2 raised to power 3. So in place of 27, we can bring in 3 power of 3, and in place of 8, we can bring in 2 power of 3, such that from here, t power of 3 is equal to 3 power of 3 divided by 2 power of 3. With this, there is a rule that if you have a raised to power c over b raised to power c, this equals in bracket a over b power of c. So applying this rule right here, t raised to power 3 is then equal to, in bracket, 3 over 2 all power of 3. At this junction, we are then going to move this over to this side of the equation such that we have it as t raised to power 3. Then we have a positive 3 over 2 power of 3. That will become minus, in brackets, 3 over 2 power of 3 is equal to, here then becomes 0. With this, what we then have is difference of 2 cubed. So if you have a raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 3, this equals, in brackets, a minus b multiplied by a squared plus ab plus b squared. So in this case, the value of a in this equation is t. The value of b in this equation is 3 over 2. So expanding this using this format, right, we're going to have it as, in brackets, a is t, then minus b, 3 over 2, multiplied by a squared, that's t squared, plus a is t, then times b, 3 over 2, 3 over 2, right, then plus b squared, that is in brackets 3 over 2 all squared. Now this is equal to 0, right? So from here, we have it that, in brackets, t minus 3 over 2 multiplied by t squared plus t times 3, 3t over 2 plus square, we open the bracket, 3 squared is 9 over 2 squared is 4. All is equal to 0. With this, at this junction, right, we can equate this to 0 and also equate this to 0. So t minus 3 over 2 is equal to 0, or this t squared plus 3t over 2 plus 9 over 4 is equal to 0. Now let us solve for the values of t for this first equation. So from here, moving minus 3 over 2 over to this side, this becomes t is equal to 0 plus 3 over 2, such that t is then equal to 3 over 2. With this, we've gotten the first value of t. Okay, so let us then solve for the other values of t from this other equation. Now looking at this, right, we can write t squared as over 1, such that 1, 2, 4. Look for the common LCM of 1, 2, and 4. And the common LCM is 4. So over 4. 1 will go in 4 times. 4 times t squared is 4t squared, plus 2 will go in 4. 2 times 3t is 6t, plus 4 will divide 4. 1. 1 times 9 is 9, which equals to 0. And this can be written as over 1, such that we can then multiply. 1 times this is 4t squared plus 6t plus 9 is equal to 0 times 4 is equal to 0. Now looking at this, what we have is a quadratic equation, right? A quadratic equation. And to solve this, we're going to make use of the quadratic formula. So we're solving for t. T is equal to, the formula is minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. In this case, the value of a in this equation is 4. The value of b is plus 6, and the value of c is the constant, which is plus 9. So 9. Now inputting the values of a, b, c into the equation, what we then have as t is equal to minus b is 6 minus 6 plus or minus square root b squared, that is 6 squared, then minus 4 times a is 4 multiplied by c is 9, right, all over 2 times a is 4. So with this, solving this further, the value of t is equal to minus 6 plus or minus square root of 6 squared is 36, then minus 4 times 4 times 9 is 144, all over 2 times 4 is 8. So t is then equal to, okay, minus 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 144 is 108, all over 8. From here, t is equal to minus 6 plus or minus, this can be written as root minus 1 times 108 all over 8, such that t is equal to minus 6 plus or minus root minus 1 times root 108 all over 8, so that t is equal to minus t plus or minus root minus 1 is equal to I. So that is I, then times root 108 all over 8. So solving this further, the value of t is equal to minus 6 plus or minus I times, now root 108 can be written as root 36 times 3 all over 8. From here, t is equal to minus 6 plus or minus I times root 36 is 6, then times root 3 all over 8. So with this, t is equal to minus 6, right? And before then, okay, 2 will divide 8, you have 4. 2 will divide 6, you have 3. 2 will divide also have 3 here also, such that t is then equal to minus 3, then plus or minus I, then times 3 root 3 all over 4. With this, if we factorize out 3 over 4, t is equal to 3 over 4, then multiplied by minus 1 plus or minus I root 3. So with this, the value of t2 is equal to 3 over 4 multiplied by minus 1, then plus I root 3. And the value of t3 is equal to 3 over 4 multiplied by minus 1, right, then minus I root 3. So we've gotten the solutions of t1, which is initially we got the value as from here 3 over 2, and the value of t2 is 3 over 4 in bracket minus 1 plus I root 3, and t3 is also this value right here. But then let's also confirm, let's check if the values of t that we got, okay, will give us the correct answer. But then we have two complex solutions. The real solution of t is the one for t1, which is equal to 3 over 2. So for the value of t1, which equals 3 over 2, the equation is t times t is equal to 27 over 8. Now let's confirm if the value of t that we got is the correct answer. Now from here, t is 3 over 2, so 3 over 2 times t is 3 over 2 times t is 3 over 2, which equals 27 over 8. So will this give us 27 over 8? Question mark. Now 3 times 3, 9 times 3 is 27 over 2 times 2, 4 times 2 is equal to 8. And this equals 27 over 8. So that means that the value of t that we got as 3 over 2 is the correct solution. And with this, we've come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.